What's up, guys? Jason here at Black Oak Outdoors. We're down here in, I think, Summers County or Raleigh County. I don't know what it is down here. I think it might be Raleigh still. We're down here at Sandstone Falls. Going to try to catch some smallmouth or whatever bite. I got me a couple dozen of minnows here. We'll see if anything bites. Show you what we got going on here. We're gonna go down in there and fish. See if we can't catch something if we get a little closer to them falls. But let's get into it. Golly, don't walk through like 10 cobwebs. We'll follow this path here to these falls here. Hopefully nobody on this side fishing. There's a couple of guys over to my right with his boys. It looks like a pretty good spot. Oh, I really should have worn my boots probably, but be alright. Yeah, buddy. This looks like some good smallmouth here. We'll probably catch smallmouth or rock bass or heck, I don't know, whatever. I ain't really targeting nothing really specific. All around trip. Me fast walking and running. Something I rarely do anymore. So I'm fat and out of shape. I gotta get my hook box. It was laying on the back of my truck wide open for anybody to get. Like me, I was in a hurry to get down here and fish and I forgot it. So yeah, hoping nobody stole my stuff in the whole 5 minutes I was gone. But I guess that's my fault if it is. I forgot my tackle and I decided to leave it. Well, I hope it's still here. I think it's on up here. I didn't see nobody else in here, nobody coming out with it. Okay, yeah, good, it's still here. Minnow on here with a split shot. I think that's a good fish right there. First cast too. No. Look at that, son. First freaking cast. A nice smallie. Hold still, buddy. Oh no. I gotta get my hands on you, buddy. First freaking cast. Let's freaking go. My hook broke off on him. Probably a pound, pound and a half at least. Let's freaking go, boys. First cast. Guess I didn't tie a hook good enough. I better put something a little better on. I'll take that all day long. That's a good fish. There we go. We don't. Little rock bass. Little bitty guy. These are fun to catch too. Little big guy. Might take that split shot off. I mean, there we go. I got that one. How's this? Another rock bass. Another rock bass. That's a good one. Oh, he's peeing on me. That's a decent one, little guy. Little bitty feller. Might catch another good smallmouth like that first one. Oh, come here. Had a tourist sneak up on me here behind me, scared me to death a minute ago. Maybe jump out my skin. I don't know if I was rolling or not on camera. He said he was from California. California. People hate West Virginia. They always seem to come here. There we go. Oh, he got me snagged. Daggone it. Let's see what we got here. He was swimming under a rock. Still pretty smallie. Hold still, hold still. Thought I snagged, but he ran me under a rock. Got him right in the tongue. Hold still, buddy. I missed his tongue by a hair. There we go. Oh, well, there he goes. He's off. There he goes. He's good. Another nice smallie. Yep, let's rig back up and throw it out there. Oh, there we go. Got one. Oh, did I get him? Yep, got him. Another red eye. Red eye, rock bass, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, they put up a good little fight. If he'd hold still, I'll get you, bud. Ooh, he's slimy. Let me roll you up a little bit. These are pretty fish right here. Ooh, I got him. Ooh, going to require the pliers. Oh, pliers in my back pocket. Alright there, Mr. Rock Bass. He's pretty. I love him eyes they got. They got real pretty eyes. Might pack up and move spots here in a minute. Oh, look at that. What we got here? Another rock bass. That's a good one. That's a good size. Probably the biggest one of the day. Yeah, he's good size. Need to get a measuring board. Heck, don't eat minnows. Looking for a big smallie. Big smallie, molly. Well, I'd catch a big old striper. That'd be kind of cool. Come on, you know you want it. Maybe I was a little farther out, he didn't want it. We'll fish this one, we'll move. There's something chasing him. Yep. Got him. We got here. Oh, a little largemouth. Oh, you hold still. Yep, a little largemouth. That's the third species of the day. Hold still, buddy, I gotta get a picture with you. There we go. That's a cool fish. Alright guys, I believe that's going to be it for today. Here at Sandstone Falls in West Virginia. About an hour drive from the house. I finally got me some smallmouth this year. I ain't really caught any, and I finally got a few rock bass. It's beautiful here in nature. Can't beat it. Do me a favor guys, go down there and hit that like and subscribe button. Keep up with my videos, turn the notification bell on. We'll see you next time.